Odd and even numbers rules. For addition, if we sum two even numbers together, we get an even number. So 2, which is even, plus 4, which is also even. 2 plus 4 equals 6, which is even. If we sum together two odd numbers, we get an even number. 3 plus 5, which are both odd numbers, equals to 8, which is even. If we sum an even and an odd number, we get an odd number. 2 is even, plus 3, which is odd. 2 plus 3 equals 5, which is an odd number. Subtraction. If we subtract two even numbers, we get another even number. 8 minus 4 equals 4. If we subtract two odd numbers, we get an even number. So 7 minus 5, which are both odd, equals to 2, which is even. If we subtract an even and an odd number, we get an odd number. 6, which is even, minus 3, which is odd, equals to 3, which is odd. If we add odd as a minuend and even as a subtrahend, we get an odd number. 9, which is odd, minus 2, which is even, equals to 7, which is odd. Multiplication. If we multiply together two even numbers, we get an even number. So 2 times 4 equals 8. If we multiply together two odd numbers, we get an odd number. 3 times 5 equals 15. If we multiply an even and an odd number, we get an even number. 2 times 3 equals 6. Division. If we divide two even numbers, we may get an odd or an even number. So 8 divided by 4, which are both even numbers, equals to 2, which is an even number. 6, which is even, divided by 2, which is even, equals to 3, which is odd. If we divide two odd numbers, we get an odd number. So 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. If we divide an even by an odd number, we get an even if divisible. So 6, which is even, divided by 3, which is odd, equals to 2, which is even. While here 6 divided by 5 equals to 1.2. This is not even an integer. And if we divide an odd by an even number, we don't get an integer. So 9, which is odd, divided by 2, which is even, equals to 4.5, which is not an integer. The overall rule is that if in a number the digit of the units ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, the number is even. Otherwise, if the digit of the units ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, the number is odd.